here. Back with a quick vid. It's gonna unbox me this Traxxas Xmaxx, and just gonna get right into it. I ain't gonna make no big long video. My other green one actually got sold. Somebody bought it off my hands. They want to wait for one to come in. Went ahead and order me. I should order 2 Xmaxxes. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, and the other one's actually already sold. So go ahead, unbox this guy, and see which one I got. She is a beauty. Let me go ahead and pull this guy out of there so we can see what she look like, y'all. And oh man, she is beautiful. TQI radio. To be honest with you, not too sure which one I like better, whether it's the green or the orange. Again, neither of the colors is stuff I usually go for as far as color wise. I definitely love the green, but I figure I'd give, a different color a try since I already have the green. But I definitely do like the orange. Definitely like the orange, guys. Alright, let me go ahead and try to get all this stuff out of here. Let's get the truck out. Here we go. Got your manual, optional gears, and all that good stuff in here. Alright, let's put it in the box. Alright, what do you guys think? I actually do like it, I'm not even gonna lie. Like it a lot. Definitely like it a lot. Let me go ahead and cut the zip ties off, take the radio out, take the plastic off the cover of the body. I'll get right back with you guys. After I pulled that plastic off the body, I'm not even gonna lie, man. I don't know, I really do like this orange. It looks pretty good. I haven't cut the zip tie, I'm about to cut it here in a second. But I just took a second just to look at it real quick, man. I mean, that orange really does pop. And it looks pretty good with the stance though. This nice lowered stance. Definitely like the way it looks. Definitely like the way it looks. Do a quick speed run with it like that. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. Dang. She's all brand new for now. Man. Alright, let me stop there. Let me go ahead and cut the zip ties and let this truck settle in. And wrap this video up, y'all. TQI radio. Got your 8S, Xmaxx. Alright, you got the Traxxas connectors. You know me, I gotta change the connectors out. What else? It will be running on 4S lipos. You guys know the deal. Xmaxx, man. It's a quick unboxing. Audio on there. See what she looking like. Boom. I really do like this truck. Pretty aggressive. I like these. I like how they do the color matching shocks and wheel nuts and hubs and all that good stuff. Nice touch. We'll have to get my shock sleeves also. Remount my GoPro mount up there. I'm not sure if I'll get the lights for the front on this one, but you know, this right there I have my other one, Hopezilla. Not sure what name I'll have for this one, but we'll see. I definitely do like this new Xmaxx, guys. I was down at Xmaxx for about a week, and now we're back. All I gotta do is do my connectors, and